How to enable Galaxy AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. For that, simply open up setting, then here you can see the Galaxy AI. Make sure you are logged into with your Gmail account. I already logged into my Gmail account, and then once you go to your Google Assist or Google AI, you can see a lot of feature. For example, if you go your call assistants, you can see call screening or live translation when you make a call, or if you want to use the photo assist, then just enable this option. For example, go your any photo, and if you want to remove, then here you can see the icon. If you press on icon, then you can see a lot of option. For example, you want to remove this object, then if you press on erase, then photo will be gone. If you want to save, you can also save it. And if you want to create anything, or for example, I want to add a love, then if you write something, love rate, then here you can see it's generating. Once ready, you can see the results. So this is how you can easily use Google Assistant for your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. You can see a lot of other feature: creative studio, audio erasing, you can remove your voice, now brief, now notification, highlight, health, lot of feature actually. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.